Hi there. Today we're going to learn about improper fractions and mixed numbers and how to switch between. So we can recall that a mixed number is when a whole number and a fraction are put together. So like 1 and 5/6 or 7 and 2/9. We also know that an improper fraction is a fraction where the numerator is larger than the denominator. So in this case, 12/3 or 8/5. Start with mixed numbers. Let's take 2 and 2/3. Now something to remember is that if you have a denominator in a fraction, it is going to stay the same no matter what. So we can write that right away down below and write our fraction sign because we're going to be doing an improper fraction, right? So let's think of the steps to get there. Now we're going to multiply our denominator by our whole number, which is going to be 2, right? 2 times 3 is 6. So we can write that right up here. 2 times 3. And remember, whenever we have parentheses, we always do those first. And then after we have that, we're going to add what we got here right on top to 2. So we can write 2 right over here. So how would we do this? We would go 2 times 3, what is that? 2, 4, 6, plus 2, 6, 7, 8. So we would get 8/3 or 8 over 3. So now let's switch over to improper fractions and how to turn it into a mixed number. So we have our improper fraction 8/3, right? Now what we're going to do to get a mixed number here is just long divide. So we'll do this. We have 3 on the outside, right? And 8 on the inside. Now, it goes into 8 2 times. We know that 3 times 2 is going to be 6, like we showed over here. So we're going to put a 6 down here and subtract 8 from 6. And that's going to get us 2, right? So we have 2 remainder 2. We have a whole 2 right up here. So that can be our whole number 2 and our mixed number. And then we have a remainder of 2. So we can put that on top of our fraction as our numerator. Now remember, the denominator always stays the same. So that's just going to stay at 3. And so now we know that 2 and 2/3 is the same as 8/3.